Ready to turn your passion into profit with Buy Me a Coffee. First, craft a captivating profile. Use a high-quality profile picture that represents you, and write a compelling bio that clearly explains what you do and why people should support you. Think of it as your digital handshake. Next, create valuable content consistently. This could be blog posts, artwork, music, tutorials, anything that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Level up your offering by providing exclusive perks. Offer early access to content, bonus materials, personalized shoutouts, or anything that rewards your loyal supporters for their generosity. Now, promote your page everywhere. Share your Buy Me a Coffee link on all your social media channels, in your email signature, and even on your website to maximize visibility. Engage with your supporters, respond to comments, thank them for their contributions, and build a genuine community around your work to foster long-term relationships. By optimizing your profile, consistently creating engaging content, offering exclusive perks, and actively promoting your page, you can build a sustainable income stream through direct fan support on Buy Me a Coffee.